gukuria mieke ya taranda na makiria gatagati ka mbeu njithi ya ikari kana Akiaria igogonaina riri murugamiriri kana muikarari giti muriuki ni ugite ati ari na itanya inene ria gutigirira ati undu ni wakorwo gikinyanira na njira ya igana kwa igana.
The first race or leg of the series is going to be in November and take place in the Nairobi environs. This is to raise awareness and make the sport more friends, mothers. The aim of the series is to be able to taste the country's beauty and market it as a global cycling destination.
This is probably one of the more unique corporate and sporting partnerships we're having in Kenya. We don't very often get partnerships to do with cycling, but cycling is a fast-growing platform for engaging responsibly with nature. And we are quite pleased to be making announcement of the 3-year program with the Amani cycling team. Specifically with this program, what we will be looking to achieve is, one, to set up a series of 5 world-class events across 5 specific ecologies, ranging from mountain ranges to the Rift Valley, Lake region, to the coast. We're also looking at cities, particularly the Nairobi city as an ecology, and how we are continuing to live within cities.
Timu ya Nyarari na makiria mwena